Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this device. You need to begin by opening device's settings. Then scroll down and click on Accessibility section. Now you need to click on Display and Text Size. And following that, scroll all the way down. Then click on this gray sweater next to Auto Brightness feature. As you can see, Adaptive Brightness is now enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing this same sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!